Baking soda isn't just for baking, folks.
Baking soda is very handy around the house. I didn't know it did all that. But if you didn't know, now you know. Check this out.
You need to hear this if you love a clean home. Baking soda isn't just for baking, folks. Let's unlock its magic. First up, deodorize your fridge. Just place an open box inside and say goodbye to nasty smells. Next, sprinkle it on carpets before vacuuming for a fresh, clean scent. Got stubborn stains? Mix baking soda with water to make a paste and scrub away. Shine up that silverware by soaking it in a baking soda solution. Need a natural air freshener? Mix baking soda with your favorite essential oils. Clean your fruits and veggies by soaking them in a baking soda bath. Got a clogged drain? Pour some baking soda followed by vinegar and watch the magic fizz. Refresh your sneakers by sprinkling some inside and letting them sit overnight. For a sparkling bathroom, scrub tiles with a baking soda paste. Finally, use it to whiten your laundry. Just add half a cup to your wash. Who knew baking soda could do all that? Happy cleaning, everyone.
Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.